Hi guys, so we have reached our location for our second day, which we planned to do it on 5th, 6th, 7th, but now we are doing it on 15, 16, 17. So this is day 2 and vlog 2 of course of my course, which is mobile and social media journalism. So today we'll be learning about vlogging, and this is the place where we'll be staying, and the whole group is here. Of course, there was an issue in terms of taking care of the students during this pandemic. So as I told you, the smaller group and the whole villa is ours for next 3 days. So I'm going to show you around that, how it looks like and how we are placed and what my kids are doing right now. So yeah, I'm inside. So this is what I said. This is Alan.
Stop.
What's up? This one, Ryan. This one, Genevieve. And yeah, in the background, that's Steve. So you will see these people in the vlog like more often for next 3 days. Yes, 3 vlogs will be there. And about the place, this is really beautiful and eco-friendly too.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐.
The leader, the mentor, the one who's been training us from the start. And I'm so glad to be on the vlog today.
Oh.
We are on man's vlog. We feel honored.
Thank you. So guys, as you saw, the place is pretty amazing.
And the session begins where we learn about the camera angles, what is necessary when we shoot a video, when we create content, what is our strength, what is our weakness, how do we overcome our weaknesses, and all of that.
I finished my first session today, and we spoke about that, how important is content creation and what kind of content can be created when you go out. You know, when you have place, when you have a group and an option and something fun learning, then definitely the outcome will be brilliant. So that's what my kids learned today, and the session was amazing according to me. We'll ask kids how was the first session after coming here.
Try different things and you can experiment with the ideas that you have, which are not, like, for a newbie, staying restricted to 4 walls could be a bit difficult.
What do you think, Gresham? Is it challenging? When he's saying easy, but do you think it's challenging at the same time?
Challenging, yes, because
Too much things.
yeah, there are many things that you can put on the camera, but you have to know what are the right things that the viewers want to see.
So Steve, what do you think? Positive, negative, plus, in this half day, what you have realized about coming out and when we venture out, learning like this? What do you realize? Is that a bigger realization than just a textbook or a classroom that you get to know?
Doing practical work in the sense like you get a bigger picture of the thing that you're doing, like vlogging for example. You can't do it inside the classroom like sitting practically.
Or overall, like what are you learning something on Maza aa raha hai? What is it?
Overall also I'm learning stuff and I can improve myself where I can find my faults. Like if I'm doing it alone in one place, I won't find any faults within me. But once I'm with around others in open, I'll find my flaws, correct them, and then get improved.
Piece of vlog, and I saw how it came, and I saw myself first time on screen.
You realize how horrible we look now on camera. Do you guys feel that? Like suddenly you look horrible. Like you look decent, and then when you look at yourself on camera, like no, I don't know. So Gresham did something which was Gurjas actually got a potato in the garden. So we need to see that potato is a root which he didn't know so far. So guys, you need to see the big potato which he was talking about. And Gresham is touching and all. What is it? He'll tell you.
We can show you the footage later
Fungi
on.
fries.
Just play the footage.
So we'll break for now. I don't know, this is some science which they do. Let them like continue with that. So in a while it'll be a lunch time. So we'll break for our lunch and then again we have a visit. So we're gonna show you that as well. We are very excited and let's see how it's going.
And the food, of course, as you can see, salads, rice, dal, vegetables, meat, it was amazing. Coming up on Media Mentor, we take a jeep and head to a very, very beautiful location in Lonavala, which is extremely beautiful, unseen, undiscovered, and we have a lot of fun there. We create vlogs, we create content, and of course, pictures and a lot of funny moments. So, to see all of that and an entire journey for this trek, you have to stay tuned until next time. And of course, what you're seeing right now is just a snippet.